Child not listening. Stop yelling, do this instead. Yelling may feel like the only option when you're pushed to the edge, but yelling doesn't stop the behavior. It only leaves your child and you upset and full of guilt. What if there is a better way to be heard without raising your voice? Best ways of parenting without yelling. 1. Baby proofing. Baby proof your home. Keep things like cereal boxes or art supplies out of reach to avoid avoidable messes and meltdowns. 2. Get out of the situation. When you're at your limit, tag your partner. A fresh face that isn't boiling with anger can help calm your child. 3. Set realistic expectations. Expecting your child to behave like an adult sets you both up for failure. They're still learning. Adjust your expectations to meet them where they are. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such parenting-related videos. Please continue watching. 4. Be assertive, not mean. Speak calmly but firmly. A soft, assertive voice will get their attention better than shouting ever will. 5. Strategize your stress. Do your most stressful tasks like grocery shopping when the kids aren't around. Shop online, go at night, or pick quieter times to avoid sensory overload. 6. Cook up a story. Use storytelling to teach. Say, there once was a girl who didn't listen to her mom. Your child will listen and learn, and you will avoid confrontation. 7. Let them know you're angry. Say, I'm getting upset now. Warn gently. Set a time limit. For instance, if these toys aren't picked up by 10, they go away. 8. Keep squeezy toys handy. Keep a stress ball nearby. Squeeze out that anger before it escapes your mouth. It's a simple way to pause and breathe. 9. On-the-spot exercise. Jog in place, stretch, take deep breaths. Not only will it relax you, but your child might be so amused they stop what they're doing. 10. Take a break. If you're snapping often, it's likely stress and exhaustion. Ask for help. Let a friend or family member watch the kids so you can recharge. 11. Shift your perspective. Put yourself in your child's shoes. They want to play, not get dressed. Think like them. Sometimes a mindset shift is all it takes. 12. Visualize the aftermath. Before you yell, picture what comes next. Tears, guilt, regret. This mental pause can save both of you from emotional pain. Parenting isn't about perfection, it's about progress. You won't get it perfect every time, but the more you practice, the better you'll get.